Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome, my followers. Today, inshallah, we will continue the letters in more details. It is not hard, but it is something has a lot of details. Let's begin. Yalla, bismillah. Quick review. Alif, Hamza, but we read it together. A. Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, ذال راء زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طه ظه عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون Ha, wow, yeah. In English, we have capital letter and small letter. In Arabic, we have something different. Let's say, in Arabic, we have three shapes to the letter. Let's say, as we say a in the first word, like that. In the middle of the word, like that. In the last of the word, like that. As we say, أنا. أنا, it means I. أنا, in Arabic, أنا. In the middle of the word, separately. And connectly. In the middle of the word, in the last of the word, connectly. In the last of the word separately. Let's see. أنا, I. In the middle of the word, سأل, سأل. It is in the middle of the word. سأل. It means asked. In the last of the word separately. As we say, نبأ. نبأ, it means news. News. Separately, as we say, بدأ. بدأ, it means started. Started, نبأ, news. News, نبأ. بدأ, أنا. سأل, نبأ. نبأ, news. بدأ, started in the past. بدأ, started in the past. All the letters also has three shapes. In the first of the word, in the middle of the word, in the last of the word connectly, in the last of the word separately, like the shape of the word life, word letter. Let's see ba, ta, tha. Bismillah. Ba, as we say, ba in the first of the word. Ba in the middle of the word. In the middle of the word, the letter has two hands to catch the another letters to continue the word. Ba in the last of the word connectly. Ba in the last of the word separately. It is the same for ta. Ta. Ta in the first of the word. Ta in the middle of the word. Ta in the last of the word connectly, or ta in the last of the word separately. Also same for the tha. Tha, 3 points. Tha, 3 points. Tha in the first of the word. Tha in the middle of the word. Tha connected in the last of the word. Tha separately in the last of the word also, as we say thawab. Thawab. You know, ba in the last of the word here separately. Alif in the middle of the word may come like that, may come like that. Tha in the first of the word has one hand to catch the rest of the word. Thawab, it means reward. Thawab, reward. Rewarded, reward, something like that. That's all for today. We will continue, inshallah, the rest of the letters in the next videos. It is an honor to me to follow